Dear good peoples, it is the Haley from the Wicked Wicks site. Yes, and today we talk about tornadoes. So we go through quickly because, Alaska, the Atka, they have many earthquakes. I don't know about Koliakon. I don't know what the question mark is there. Mexico. And then we move on to this red flag warning that is a fire weather hazard warning. That also red flag, hurricane warning up there. Flash flooding probabilities and stuff. Let's make sure though. The green should be flash flood. Flash flood watch or warning or advisory. Who knows? The three colors, they're very similar. But we move on to here is who's droughted, and there almost always is drought there. And here is where tropical storm Lee remnants be dropping rain in next 5 days. And probably this stuff is really like the next 1 or 2 days, not the 5 days. But this is the 5 days. But look how many dry areas there are going to be. And here is who's flooded. 43 locations in flood. So again, still, Hurricane Irene, flooding related it. Tropical Storm Lee create many flooding situation as well. And then, of course, this stuff is always there, sadly. Here we have severe thunderstorms expected over parts of the southeast US this afternoon and tonight. Here is new situation. If you see moderate risk, now maybe you don't infer this directly, but a moderate risk happens when either of these get to 30%. Or it happened apparently when tornado risk get to 15%. So that is why there is moderate risk today, because here is wind probability 15% and then 5% up all the east coast. Less than 5% all areas in the hail, but here we have the 15% chance of tornado. So that, as you'll see, is where moderate risk area is. So big Tropical Storm Lee bringing, or remnants thereof, bringing much tornado threat to area. Here is tomorrow's slight risk outlook, and I don't know, perhaps we have another 15% tornado chance. We can do this. We can do tornado. Support the risk for tornadoes. If whatever. I don't know. I can't read live. I have no read skills. So tomorrow's probability map, 5% around it, 15%. And here is, at least as of time that the page was refreshed, all the tornado warnings. We can even click that and show just tornadoes warnings, right? So, Georgia, North Carolina, Alabama. So many tornado warnings. And the arrows, that is showing what the supposed direction of the storm is. That's right. We move on to Eastern Pacific. Oh! Let's talk about that in a second. Katya strengthens. This is Hurricane Katya. This is why I speak in a Russian accent. This is in honor of Katya, who's been hanging out for months and months and months now. It feels like I do a Russian accent every day. Apparently, Katya has large eye now. Now what? We could try seeing if we... right, so we can't see eye because icon block eye of Katya. But, I don't know. So Katya, forecasted to become major hurricane, then weaken, but still with the models, most of them are showing Katya staying at bay, if that is the word. Only one of them now, this CMC again, and I believe the CMC was the one that predicted a potential landfall before. So something is up with CMC model. No, the CMC Music Factory. I don't remember what that's called. Hey, let's see if we can find satellite. So I cannot read. Satellite! There we go. Let's look for Katya's large eye. I apparently can't read. There it is. Let's go to visible image. Yes! That is a traditional hurricane look. With or I'm going the wrong direction. It like that. What's it? Clockwise? Counterclockwise? I don't know. Anyway, so that is how you find satellite. You apparently do Command F or Control F and look for the word satellite and find that it's right there. Anyway, so we keep watch on Katya, most definitely. And if you want to keep watching your tornado risk, you go on over to wickedwix.com, WICKEDWX. You take it easy and play it safe today.